Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Our Hydrangea Annabelle has recently been pruned hard back. They're fantastic. They flower from end of June, early July, right through until mid-September. This is a shot of this plant last year in full flight and full flower. I put the video up afterwards of it when it's in full flower. Now, to get the most, of course, from Hydrangea Annabelle, a few things you need. You're going to need some pigtail floppies to support it from falling over. It's a problem with Annabelle, they can flop a little bit. So a few supports around it now at this stage before it starts to grow is critically important. You also need to feed it every 4 to 6 weeks from now with Flower Max to get the most from it. This time of year to feed all your perennial flowers, your hydrangeas, your roses and flowering shrubs need to be fed every 4 to 6 weeks from now to get the most from your plants this year. Make sure the size of the flowers is good and that you get plenty of them and the quality of the flower colour is good. So Flower Max is the fertiliser we're using every 4 to 6 weeks around the plants, like that. If you want, give it a little light hoeing in as well, and a couple of handfuls to make sure our plants will have fantastic flowers again this year. In this area as well, nice Hemeracalis or daylily, going to get a feed as well. Go back this way, some anemones. So every 4 to 6 weeks from now, around your perennial flowers, not across the top of them, out a little bit from them, and they will produce lots of fantastic flowers. A lovely white anemones as well, a couple of handfuls there. So all our hydrangeas are going to be fed from now to make sure we get lots and lots of fantastic colour again this year. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.